In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email list in Getresponse. We're going to keep this really simple and walk through the fastest way to set up a brand new contact list from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to name your list, and how to avoid some common mistakes that can trip people up. First, go ahead and log in to your Getresponse account in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. This is where Getresponse keeps everything related to your subscribers and lists. Click on Contacts to open the Contacts section. When the Contacts area loads, you'll see your existing lists if you already have any, along with tools to manage them. What we want to do here is create a brand new list, so look for the button that says Create List. It's usually easy to spot, near the top of the page. Go ahead and click Create List. Now you'll be asked to give your new list a name. This part is more important than it looks because Getresponse has some specific rules for list names. You need to use only lowercase letters and underscores. That means no spaces, no capital letters, and no special characters like exclamation marks or accents. A good format might look like My New List 2024 or Newsletter Subscribers April. Keeping everything lowercase with underscores instead of spaces helps make your lists easier to organize and avoids any errors when you create them. It's also a good idea to use a name that clearly describes what the list is for, such as the type of subscribers or the campaign it belongs to. That way, if you have multiple lists later on, you won't have to guess what each one is. Once you've typed in a clear, descriptive name that follows those rules, take a quick moment to double-check the spelling. A clean naming system now will save you time when you're segmenting contacts or setting up automations in the future. When you're happy with the name, you're ready to finalize everything. Look for the Create button on the screen and click it. Getresponse will process your request, and in just a moment, your new contact list will be created and ready to use. That's all there is to it. You've just created a new email list in Getresponse using the quickest possible path, and you're ready to start adding subscribers and sending campaigns.